God, he was wrong. And now he's naked and alone, scarred and abused, battered and bruised. It's only been a year, but I have just begun. As long as I am here, I never will be done. And he's gonna pay in every way. Nothing in the world could ever pay his debt, but I am gonna get as close as I can get. Yeah, he's gonna pay in every way.